We've seen previously in the Schillinger system that the scale produces not only the root progressions but also the chord structures, and gradually through the special theory of harmony we see how chord structures can be changed and modified as we wish, and eventually the root progression can be modified as one wishes to the fully symmetric forms of harmony. Now we're going to move one stage on and we're going to liberate the chord structures from the cycle of thirds. Here is a symmetric melody, if you like, quite dissonant, with a primary axis around F. And what I've done is I've simply produced a coupling for it at the interval of 5 semitones, or a perfect fourth. And then I've made 3 parts, each with an identical coupling of perfect fourths, and 4 parts. This time I've added a new interval, the major second. So we see that not only has all of this emerged out of a single line of melody that was itself a freely chosen series of intervals, but that the harmonic forms that accompany it are similarly independent. This next example is taken from a composition called the Exeter Riddles, electroacoustic settings of ancient Anglo-Saxon riddles. And here again I've used general harmony automatic coupling techniques to generate a harmonic setting for 3 voices from a single melodic line. The melody comes first out of a rhythm, a square on 7. You can see the calculations below the score. The original melodic line is at the top. The melody immediately below is generated from a coupling pattern 5-7-4, where 1 equals a semitone. This pattern repeats itself again and again until the end of the melody. The melody on the lowest stave has a coupling relationship with the middle line. This time the coupling pattern is 3-2-5, where 1 equals a semitone.
What's the name? Work it out! Work it out! What's the name? Work it out! Work it out! What's the name? Work it out! Work it out!
What's that?
Here's an example of how chords can be coupled to other chords using general harmonic techniques in order to create large vertical structures, sigmas upon sigmas if you like. These structures can then be exploded into an orchestra.